What's going on, guys? Today I'm taking delivery of the GTC.
Oh, I butchered that. Sorry, I was too early.
Is it GTC4?
Premature.
I'm getting a lot of nerves here.
I love it. Same.
GTC4?
I'm trying to memorize my lines. You focus on your.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm taking delivery of the GTC4. It's a Ferrari. What's going on, guys? Today I'm taking delivery of the GTC4 Ferrari.
Lusso.
Lusso.
Does that help to put Lusso?
Ferrari GTC4.
Right.
Or what's the order?
Ferrari GTC4 Lusso.
Here we go.
All right.
Let me put Lusso. I got Lusso on there now.
Ferrari on there too.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm taking delivery of the Ferrari GTC4 Lusso.
Today's my day, baby. That wasn't very good.
No, it's terrible.
I think we just roll the tape.
You already have your intro. I think you're good.
All right, so we'll just start.
All right. I guess I'm out of job. Lovely.
I had the lines memorized. Unbelievable. Give me my moment. You guys can get this.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm taking delivery of a Ferrari GTC4 Lusso.
Not true. I'm taking delivery of the car and Stradman will be here any minute.
That was the worst intro.
Let's go.
Let's go. No, it was pretty bad. That was terrible.
Great.
So awkward.
Yogi and I
let's
did
just
great.
go. Let's just go. That is so loud.
That is so much louder than it was.
What's up, dude?
How are you?
Good. What's up, Chandler?
How was the drive, man?
It was good.
Only
It's an
took
easy
you guys
drive.
like 5 or 6 hours.
Well, Kyle had like all right.
I was more excited about these than
The car.
Dude, I have to be honest. None of us have bought a car from Strad where he hasn't said it's the perfect car.
Hey. Well, I mean, have I been wrong though?
You're not
I haven't
wrong.
been wrong. Every car's been
I'm just
perfect.
hoping I can pull the old Ferrari deal off with this one in a few months.
That car's gone up though.
Yeah.
The 458's gone up a lot.
Yeah.
So I don't feel quite as
I
bad.
think we both did well on that.
We both
deal.
did, yeah, exactly. Everyone wins. That's best case scenario.
You're 10 and a half, right? Yeah. For you, my friend. Hopefully you like them. If you don't, we can swap them. Yeah. What? Military balls.
Those are sick.
Holy crap. Yeah, if you don't like them, we can swap them.
Where am I supposed to wear them?
Everywhere.
Oh yeah, dude, those shoes are so sick.
Everyone's sick. So much.
This place is so cool.
Kyle searched far and wide for these. These are ultra rare. Like the rarest of rare.
One other pair.
They have 2 boxes. That's how you know
Thank you. Yeah, and blue I don't have those.
the best things come in 2 boxes.
Just for you.
Oh, those are so sick. What? Oh, the inside is so sick. Dude, you're a
You're a new man.
It completely changes you as a person.
yeah.
Those are sick.
You already laced them up?
I don't know what to do. Just I do it right. Do it right.
Yeah, you put
You do
them
whatever you want, man. That one's even louder.
Gary, you gotta go check out your car.
He's scared of it. He doesn't look like it.
He's like, I don't get too close.
I don't know if I'm man enough.
Welcome back to the
sounds good.
channel, Yogi. Of course, we got Ryan holding
What's
the
up,
camera.
brother?
Put this guy to work. It's about
This is new
time.
videographer,
Good to
Ryan.
see you, dude. You guys can't stop buying my cars. You bought my 458 and the Corvette. Then you sold the Corvette to Ryan.
Then
You
I
bought the
bought the
Raptor.
Chevy.
But it's Yogi's day.
Let's
It's
go!
Yogi's day. Let's go.
Hop in.
Hop in. Yeah, dude.
Oh, I'm nervous, boys.
When you
So
rev
yes,
it,
if you guys could not figure out, I have sold the Ferrari GTC4 Lusso to Mr. Yogi Myers. Dude, you look good in this car.
It fits.
This is the car for
Fits like
sure. That red interior, this thing is gonna be so sick. Your neighbors are legit gonna hate you. Your kids are gonna love you.
How do I turn it on?
Later.
Buying it.
So good.
Give her a little rev.
Alright, so when you rev it, just make sure it's not in drive.
Dude, we're ready whenever. So you just gotta gas it. Just gas it. That's not, no, well, you just cut through it. Not too much. It's got to be 12. You can do better than that.
There it is.
You can do better.
down. Let's tone it down.
Dude, we gotta go take for a drive.
Let's do
We gotta
it.
drive it.
Let's go.
We'll send.
Should we go right now?
Yeah, we can always come
Dude, the
back.
cool thing is you can put 4 in this one.
No, exactly. Yeah.
Comfortably.
Yeah. Comfortably.
Try out the back seat.
Okay, cool.
No seatbelt. You can hold it back here if you need it.
There's this too. How do I look?
It's pretty close.
That's a great shot. Yeah. Is that going on your channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your best look at it. Yeah. If I saw that view, I'd subscribe for sure.
Perfect.
Wow, this is high tech, bro.
Yeah, dude.
This is a sick car.
And this is nice.
Oh yeah. Dude, this is the sickest interior.
My favorite part about owning a Ferrari is the way the Ferrari people treat you.
Wait, are you being sarcastic?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say, I was like, I hate Ferrari people.
Yeah, I was like, I'm not sure what
He's a Ferrari, you know, he kind of is the Ferrari guy of the group when you think about it, right?
Yeah, it's-
You know, I mean, he's
kindest-
just, well, he's just kind of like upper class, a little bit snotty, you know. I'm just kidding. Yogi, you're the nicest guy.
It'll be hard for them to be mean to him. That'll
That's
be fun.
true. That's true.
Hey, speaking of snotty, the check engine light's on.
No, it's not.
I'm joking.
How could you do me dirty like that? Hey, you already paid for it. That's... Okay, and immediately we're already going full set. We're still in the neighborhood.
My goodness.
Easy. You gotta learn your way in Ferrari ownership. Jeez, this guy, you give him a
Full set,
Ferrari.
baby.
He's not the same Yogi we know and love. Unbelievable.
Alright, here we go.
Okay. Wow. And immediately. Unbelievable. Okay. I think you were meant for Ferrari ownership. You're a natural. It's so good. This car sounds so ridiculous. Why am I selling this? I just put the exhaust on this car, and I'm already having major regrets.
Speed limit's 35 and we're doing
My neighbors are going to disown me, and I'm going to get evicted out
Are
of
you
my house.
actually worried about it?
I'm very worried.
No, you'll be fine. It's just one time. You just take them for a ride in the Huracan. Take their kids for a ride in the Lamborghini. It solves everything.
Game over. We probably should have started with that though.
Yeah, probably. Well, it's easier to ask for forgiveness than permission, right? Isn't that the saying?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yes,
That's our saying.
You ask for forgiveness with the Lamborghini.
That's
Yeah?
true.
That's what you do.
Alright, I should mash it.
Say that again.
Should I mash
Absolutely. Okay. Yogi is definitely getting a speeding ticket very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not Idaho Falls, it's Mash City. Okay. Jeez, first day in a Ferrari better not be your last day in a Ferrari. Okay, unbelievable. But Guadalajara is looking extra beautiful today.
So I don't know if you can tell, but I've driven with Yogi in other cars, and my fear levels are substantially higher than everyone else in the car. And
you know.
it's for a reason.
You're being a backseat driver.
Oh yeah, so bad. I'm the worst with him driving.
I'm actually a good driver.
Yeah.
Ish.
Well, so far, things are looking up right now. Idaho Falls is not going to like you guys for very long. Think about it. 15 years ago, this was a small farming community.
Mash City, dude.
Every single stop sign. Chandler puts his hand on the stop and steering wheel. It says Mash City. Oh, goodness. This car sounds so good. It just like reverberates off all these farmhouses. Such a fantastic car. So most likely in 3 months I'll be buying this back from you, just like I did with Chandler the 458, and I'll probably pay $35,000. So yeah, enjoy it.
We'll take those deals.
Okay.
Plus, we've got Clayton in the back, dude. This man takes down legal.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he'll change the law. He'll change the law in our favor.
There you go.
What do you think the odds are of you getting them to change speed limits across the country?
Across the country, very low. But I'm down to give it a shot, I guess.
Well, it appears that the Idaho Falls Police Department is not here, so we are A-okay. We are totally fine. Dude, congratulations. Like, seriously.
man.
This is so exciting. Your first Ferrari,
Thank you.
and you're 30 years old, and you're driving a V12 GTC4 Lusso with a straight pipe exhaust. That's
Pretty
dope.
hard.
That is dope.
All right, guys, that was an awesome couple days. We wanted to especially thank the Utah crew, Stradman, for bringing up this beautiful Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. That's how you say that, Chandler.
GTC4, it's a Ferrari.
We wanted to thank Clayton with Summit Auto Lab down in Utah. We wanted to thank Luke, Kyle for coming up. It was awesome. We obviously bought the car, hung out at the sneaker store for a bit. We went up to the cabin, ate some barbecue, talked some real estate, had a great time. We went boating. I survived a cliff jumping catastrophe. Pretty bad. So thank you to those guys. Thank you to all of you for watching and supporting the channel. Chandler wanted me to remind everybody to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and he's doing a $150 off promo code right now. Use code STRAD. I've known Chandler for a really long time. We've been best friends for like 10 years, and I can attest he's put a ton of work into this course, and I think it'll really help you out. So check that out, and thanks for tuning in.
Wait, so these things?
It's more of like a trail decoration. But you know how lobsters, they rubber band the claws together?
You don't wear them when you
wouldn't.
They're cool. You guys gotta save me before I make a dumb mistake on camera.
That's like
I'm gonna embarrass myself.
That's like leaving your Lamborghini's front race. Gotta love how Idaho refinishes their roads with pure gravel. It's awesome.